So it seems obvious that bigger companies would have the capital like to invest in a big IT system, the security system, to be able to hire somebody like you to help them out. What about the small business owner that doesn't have all that money to invest?
Right.
What steps can they take in that case?
Also, just for your comment, there's a misconception about the big guys implementing a lot of cybersecurity. They don't often do it. They're still missing a lot of stuff. They could be installing a system that detects that a hacker's there, but
Uh-huh.
because there's nobody watching the system, it's just collecting detection data. And then 5 months later, oh man, we got hacked. And we go back in the system. Oh yeah, it happened 5 months ago. Like, well, that didn't help you. So the big guys have it in place, but not necessarily watching it. And the small and medium-sized businesses don't even have it at all, right?
Mm-hmm.
They're saying, who's going to want to hack me? I'm too small. I have nothing of value.
Yes.
But that's always the comment. But they don't understand that they actually are the number one target.
Okay, why so?
So hackers are going to get into their system because they know that they have no budget, resources, or time to look into cybersecurity. So they're going to hack them and use them as a jump point to attack another company
Okay.
and hide their tracks. So this way, when law enforcement or the forensic investigators look at who did this, it's going to point back to their company. And then they're going to be hit with lawsuits.
Really?
Lawyers are getting involved. It's going to get pretty pricey.
So you mean like they make it seem as if it's the smaller company that attacked the big one? Oh,
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. And because they don't have all of their, it's called log information,
Mm-hmm.
right? They're not going to keep all this information in-house. So the investigators will look at it. They're going to say there's no logs. Prove to me, Kathy, it wasn't your company. Prove it. You can't because you don't have the logs.
I was watching one of their videos. You talked about the cyber insurance. Is that what this is? That would be something like that?
Yeah. So most companies should be looking into cyber insurance now because it's not a matter of if you're going to get hacked. It's when you're going to get hacked.
Okay.
Because the users are the weakest link. It can even happen to me, right?
Mm-hmm.
One wrong move and we're done. But there are things you can put in place to make it harder for the hacker to get in. And that's the goal of this thing. There's no silver bullet to stop a hacker.
Mm-hmm.
The goal is to make it as hard as possible for him to get in. And so at least with the cyber insurance, it covers some of the cost. So for example, if you did get breached
Mm-hmm.
and it cost you $250,000 to do this investigation, well, most of it would be covered by the cyber insurance.